Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact PayPal support. First thing I want you to do is log into your PayPal account, and once you're logged in I want you to come here, the top navigation bar. You'll actually see help. I want you to go ahead and click on help right there. And then here I want you to just go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, this is the exact URL. And here you'll actually see more ways we can help. And I want you to click on the Resolution Center. Click on this one. It will fix any transaction account related issues. So once we click on this, it will actually ask you to go ahead and choose a transaction to get started. So let's say, for example, we'll pick this one, NordVPN. We'll click on this. And then here is what exactly will happen. You have chosen the transaction. Then if you click here on report a problem, you will be in contact with PayPal support. They'll ask you a few questions and then they'll create a case. Okay. And then they'll go ahead and set up a ticket. If there is anything to ask the seller, they'll ask them, and then they'll go ahead and close the case once they have reviewed everything. You'll get emails for everything as well. But otherwise, that is all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.